Welcome back to DeltaPi, your go-to series for innovative technology tutorials. In this third episode, we will look more closely at how to integrate Ollama with Streamlit to create an interactive and local chatbot. This session is packed with insights to empower you with the capability to create your own chatbot without paying or relying on external APIs. Our journey today revisits familiar territories with a fresh twist. We're modifying our chatbot by integrating it with Ollama. The process begins with importing Streamlit and Ollama into our Python script. Set the application title, DeltaPi Chatbot, and craft a welcome message using Streamlit's chat message feature. Use Streamlit session state to track the conversation and display each message in a dedicated chat message container, simulating a real conversation flow. Set the user prompt as chat input and display it in the chat. After receiving the prompt, we need to send this input to the large local language model for processing. We use Microsoft's Phi model for this task, offering a balanced mix of speed and intelligence. Finally, get the assistant response and display the chatbot's responses next to the user's messages in the chat interface. Let's start Ollama. For those curious about the Ollama setup, I've taken the Docker route for its versatility and broad support. However, it's exciting to note that Ollama is now more accessible than ever, with direct installations available. Follow the steps on the Ollama website to get it up and running in no time. Run the Ollama Phi model through Docker in your command line interface. Open an integrated terminal and activate the environment, already active in our case. Install Ollama via pip to easily integrate it into your project. And just like that, you're ready to launch your Streamlit app and engage with your very own privately hosted chatgpt-like bot. You can use Google's Gemma, Meta's Llama 2, or any other large language model. The choice is yours to make. The flexibility and control offered by this setup are unparalleled, opening up a world of possibilities for personalized chatbot applications. Thanks for joining us for this episode. See you next time on DeltaPi.